life-saving service possible. Please call in your pledges now.
That's right. Please call in your pledges right now. You know, we've been talking about the fact that our operators from Lowe's are working, but not as hard as I'd like them to work. Jason, what can we do?
Well, we do a lot. Coming down and manning the phone bank every year for the telethon itself. But we spend a lot of time throughout the course of the year trying to raise money for MDA to bring a check out.
And well, you do. And we appreciate very much what Lowe's does and what your employees do. I guess we need to make our appeal to the people out there. All those, and someone earlier said something about, hey, to all my customers that come see me every day, how about making a pledge? Wouldn't that be great if we could get them to do that? Maybe some of the construction guys and all those coming in, and to go ahead and call and make a pledge. Pick out one of these folks. I'm sure you know these faces. You've worked with them before, and let's get them busy.
Yeah, I agree. We'd certainly love to have everybody call in. David's sitting here behind me, and he and I have worked together for a long time, and he's not working near hard enough today.
Yeah, see, I told you. Yep, see, we need to put them to work. But you guys also have done a little extra work, and you got some money for me?
I do. I have some money, and this is my third year doing this, and each year we've certainly tried to make a bigger contribution, and this is by far our biggest contribution. I have a check for $32,087.
Wait a minute, hold it. Say that one more time.
$32,087.
That's right, $32,087. Jason, thank you. Lowe's, thank you. And for all of you out there that helped out at Lowe's, thank you again. So maybe a lot of those customers did take care of business.
They take care.
I might let y'all slide a little bit, not too much though. Go ahead and make your phone calls, 534-8010. Wow, $32,000. That's going in the pocket.
Yeah. I've got mine
In the pocket.
And that's what I was talking about a while ago. We've got businesses that are going to be bringing us money, but we still need the phones.
We've got to have our phones ringing.
Let's take a look right now.
All right,
Blue
Jerry.
Tug Board.
Look at that.
5 minutes to 11. $101,882. Thank you so much. We're going after Las Vegas? All right, let's go.
We gotta go. Let's go.